Come ride the little train that is rolling down the tracks to the junction. Forget about your cares, it is time to relax at the junction. Lots of curves, you bet, and even more when you get to the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
There's a little hotel called the Shady Rest at the
Hey, back at you again. I'm over here by this little bridge right here. This is actually called Honey Creek. I have a Norfolk coming. See if we get it better. Here we go. Here he comes over there. No idea what train it is. I didn't hear anything, but it appears to be an intermodal. Been wanting to get a shot here for quite a while. Well, I thought get my friendly chicken and stuff. Hope Caesar don't get into it. I think he's being a good boy. Yeah, he's been good. Nice little park here to sit here by the creek and stuff. Imagine people come down here to fish. Right down there is the crossing 224 down there. Near the car wash. Sometimes I sit there and pick up a few of these along here. This wind is pretty cold whipping through here today. Actually starting to turn out to be a lucky day. Got a heritage unit though. That's CN 3920 X City Rail. Defect detector is around here somewhere. We might get an accident count at least. I think it's right over there. Little signal post sitting there. I think it's right there. I'm not sure. I do see the end approaching. Why do I slow it down? You might have to stop down there at Attica Junction down there with Siam. Hey, there she goes. Okay, I'm gonna sit around and eat my chicken. If I get a detector go off, I'll let you know. Back at you again. Since came back from Honey Creek up Attica Junction, Siam, it seems like CSX is getting all the action today. Anyway, we got an eastbounder coming, and it looks like an auto wreck back here. Anyway, here he comes. And we have trucks, not cars, we got some trucks in there. Looking at that joint there. I think the defect detector said 410 axles or something like that. This looks like more than that. Looks like he's switching tracks down there too. See some rocking and rolling down there. Definitely switching tracks. Okay, here comes the end. There she goes. Boy, you can hear that sound in the rail pretty good. Okay. All right, well, you know what? I think I'm going to head over, make my way over toward Willard. Maybe Daniels Road or near the yard, see what's going on over there. Then maybe head home by way of Greenwich. Well, we'll see what happens. All right, we'll be right back.
Yeah, that's right. Civic 84 East 2, approaching 11.
Okay, that should be our next train coming from behind me. But I might have one coming in front of me here too, so
IP dispatcher,
I don't know, we'll see what happens. The one in front of me is right here,
You're going down
way down there.
On 2 Main at the east end down there at RX is the M26819. He's setting out the cars you're going to pick up, so train ahead.
You can see the light glowing there, but
You say he's at the east end, Willard? You know how many we're picking up on? Let me look. I didn't look to see how many he was setting out.
okay, we'll stand by and see when he gets here, which one gets here first. Back again. Be here on the dead end of Daniels Road here. Do have a eastbounder coming here. Looks like an auto wreck. That's the one with 308 axles. The other train I mentioned though appears to be the yard switcher pulling cars in and out. So here comes this guy, and I'm right in the sun. These are empty. It looks like he's switching on over to another area. I guess he's got to probably be stopping here at Willard Yard, so explains why he's slowing down. Oh, I do see some cars occasional in here. But most of these seem to be empty. Yeah, there's cars in there. Train seems to be a lot longer than 308 axles. Well, that's because these cars are longer than probably your normal. It's hard saying. Yeah, some of these are empty, so some of these have cars in them. Now, like this one, that has cars. Cars in this one. This one's empty. You can tell the difference. And we have, look like pickup trucks or some kind of SUVs in there. I turned my head back. The end is approaching back behind me. I try to keep the camera out of the sunlight. These look like pickup trucks at that one there. I could probably use a pickup truck too around the Haney place. End is still back there quite a ways yet. do see the headlight of that other locomotive way down there in the yard, though. I think it's the switcher. I think we're about to find out when I do drive past the yard. Hey, the sun disappeared. Here comes the end. That sun ain't gonna stay gone for long. Long enough for me to get the end. Okay, there she goes. Okay, well, I'm gonna head on down along the side of the yard to see what's going on, but I think most of the trains that was in the yard today is already gone because we caught pretty much most of them. Anyway, we'll see what else we can get. Well, I pulled up here closer to the yard here. We on, what the heck is this road? Section line 12 road. Trying to get it where I want. There's that locomotive I was seeing down there from Daniels, and there's the train that went by with 308 axle. He stopped here for something. Dispatcher didn't say what, but it looks to me like they ain't got a whole lot going on here. I think all the trains they had sitting around, they got them off this morning. Not this morning, but earlier today. So, all right, I'm gonna head over toward the other side, see what's going on. We'll be right back. Again on the other side of Willard. Over here at Peru Center Road, here comes this guy. That one looks nice and shiny. Both of them. And I forgot the axle count of this thing. As you can see, switching over from the other track to the opposite over there because there is a train down there tied down. I'm not sure, but he might have said 396. Don't quote me on it. I don't remember. Boy, something didn't sound right on that one car went by. Slowing down because he's coming into the yard apparently. there she goes. As I was saying, there's this other train sitting down there. Appears to be tied down. There ain't no lights on or nothing. So, okay, I'm going to be making my way toward home here.
There's a little
Probably going to end it at Greenwich, Ohio. So, all right, we'll see what comes along following this line. So, all right, we'll be right back.
At the junction.
Petticoat Junction.
And that's Uncle Joe, he's a moving kind of slow at the junction. Petticoat Junction.